Now that's a job. Okay, so as you can see, we're cutting out the door access to our addition, and it's just a lot of concrete cutting, a lot of dust, so you gotta either hire somebody yourself, or do it yourself, or hire somebody to do it. Great. All right, so as you can see, we've cut the opening and now we've just smashed it out. It's just been a lot of work and it's just tedious, but now that we've got our opening to our addition, so come on in here. All right, so you can see the addition's on, and we've cut our opening into the old existing basement from cut the opening now through the wall. So this is the new addition. Now we're tied in with the old addition. All right, so we're going to come on in and all right, so as I mentioned in the previous videos, we've already talked to the heating guy, the heating contractor, the plumbing contractor, the electrician, and we've discovered that we need to tie in the sewer line from the new bathroom into the sewer line in the floor here.